Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss more examples on Z transform. Next example, find Z transform and plot its ROC for given sequence x of n equal to e to the power minus an, where x of n is a causal sequence. First we must know the meaning of causal sequence, then only we can solve this example. Causal sequence, a sequence is said to be causal. It has amplitude only for its positive values, nothing but the value of n is greater than or equal to 0, then only it is called as a causal sequence. So x of n is given, x of n equal to e to the power minus an. So let us make use of definition of Z transform. X of Z equal to summation over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity x of n Z to the power minus n, that is equal to x of n is given. So in this case we are going to substitute x of n here. So hence summation n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus a z to the power minus n. In these two cases the power term n is common. So let us take common power term, that is n. Summation n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity in bracket, inside the bracket e to the power minus a multiplied by z raised to minus 1. Power term n is common, hence let us make use of that mathematical formula, and we are going to write causal sequence. As I told, x of n is a causal sequence. Because of that reason, limits changes from minus infinity to infinity, that is changed to where 0 to infinity. Hence x of z equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus a into z raised to minus 1. As we know, in the last video we discussed n equal to 0 to infinity a to the power n. This one we are writing it as 1 divided by 1 minus a, if and only if mod of a is less than 1. So make use of this formula, mathematical formula. Hence in this case a equal to what? A equal to e to the power minus a z raised to minus 1. Hence it becomes x of z equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus a z raised to minus 1. Z raised to minus 1 nothing but z raised to minus nothing but 1 by z. So e to the power minus a, that one we are writing it as a 1 divided by e to the power a. Hence this term we are going to simplify as x of z equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 divided by z into e to the power a. Let us take LCM. It becomes z into e to the power a minus 1 whole divided by z to the power a. This term will go to the numerator. Hence x of z equal to z into e to the power a divided by z into e to the power a minus 1. Simplification, x of z equal to z into e to the power a divided by z into e to the power a minus 1 multiplied by e to the power minus a divided by e to the power minus a. Hence it becomes z divided by z minus e to the power a. So this is the z transform of given sequence. And here in this case a term is what? Here a equal to e to the power minus a z raised to minus 1 is there. Mod of a is less than 1. Hence e to the power, or we can write 1 divided by z into e to the power a, which is less than 1. Hence only I will take z to the other side. Hence mod of z is greater than 1 by e to the power a, or e to the power minus a. This is what? ROC. This is ROC. Next example, find the Z transform for given sequence x of n equal to n square into u of n. Here once again step signal is there, u of n is there. So let us make use of definition of Z transform. X of Z equal to summation over the limits minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z to the power minus n. X of n is given. Let us substitute that given sequence in the formula, that is n square into u of n. U of n becomes 1 as per the definition of step signal. U of n is 1 if and only if the value of n is greater than 0, else it is 0. Hence x of z equal to limit changes from minus infinity to plus infinity, it becomes changes as 0 to infinity n square into z raised to minus n. I will take n as a power term outside the circle. Next, we have one standard mathematical formula, that is summation n equal to 0 to infinity n square into a to the power n, that is equal to a square plus a whole divided by 1 minus a power term 3, where mod of a is less than 1. In this case, a equal to what? A equal to z raised to minus 1. Let us substitute in the formula. Hence, x of z equal to z into z plus 1 divided by z minus 1 whole cube, where z raised to minus 1 is less than 1, or we can write 1 by z is less than 1, hence mod of z is greater than 1. So this is the z transform of given sequence. It is the ROC. It indicates ROC lies outside the circle of radius 1. Let us calculate poles and zeros, equating the numerator polynomial to the 0 will give the number of zeros. First, I will calculate zeros. How many zeros equate to the 0? Z equal to 0, 1 0 we got. Z plus 1 equating to the 0, Z equal to minus 1. So we are getting two zeros there. One at Z equal to 0 and another one Z equal to minus 1. Two zeros are there. And equate the denominator polynomial to the 0. It will give the number of poles. Z minus 1 whole power 3 is equal to 0, hence z minus 1 equal to 0, hence z equal to 1. Only one pole is there at z equal to 1. There are two zeros, one zeros at the origin, first zero at the origin and second zero at minus 1. So we know zeros are present as circles, one at the origin, another at the z equal to minus 1. Next, poles z equal to 1. So this is our pole. Yes, thank you.